Hi students, welcome back to our IT class. In the last class, we had discussed about the formatting of a page by including the borders and changing the font size, font style, alignment, etc. to the paragraphs. Today, we will study another topic, that is subscript and superscript. You may come across situations where you have to type mathematical equations and chemical formulae like a square plus 2ab plus b square and H2SO4 like that. Have you noticed that in the terms a square and b square, 2 is placed a little above the other letters? This is called superscript. Likewise, in H2 and O4, 2 and 4 are placed slightly below the other letters and this is known as subscript. Let's see how we can type these numbers or letters as subscript or superscript. Look at this. I am typing H2SO4. Here, actually we want this 2 below H. We can make use of the subscript option in the toolbar, or we can take the option character from format menu, then click the tab position and click on subscript. Similarly, to change the 4 also, format, character, position, subscript. Okay, look at one more example, KMNO4. Here also we want the 4 in the lower position, that is as subscript. So we can use the subscript option. For convenience, I am giving the option subscript from the shortcut toolbar. Now, listen to this. I am typing a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here also we want these two 2's in the upper position, right? So, in the same way, format, character, take superscript from the position. Okay. Format, character, superscript. Clear? Now here also we can make use of this shortcut too. Okay. Our next activity is to include header to our document. Do you know what is a header? Header is a heading appears at the top of each and every page of a document. Here we want to give page number as the header to our document. Let's move to the activity. Click on Format, Page. Select Header tab here and put a tick mark on Header On. Then apply OK. We can see the header here. Then insert page number. We can see that the page number will appear at the top left corner of each page. Okay. Our next activity is to include footer to the document. Click on Format, Page. Then click on the Footer tab here and put a tick mark on Footer On. Remove the tick mark from same contents on left and right pages. Then apply OK. Now take our document. Then type the required text in the footer. Now I am typing Information and Communication Technology. In the second page, I am typing Standard 9. Now see the next pages. Look, in the first page, it is seen Information and Communication Technology. Second page, Standard 9. Then it will automatically come to the next pages. The third page, it appears Information and Communication Technology, and in the fourth page, Standard 9. Clear? Okay children, this is the end of this part of the video. We will continue our lesson in the next class. If you have any doubt, ask me through the WhatsApp group. Thank you for watching.